Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create drop-down list in Excel. So all you have to do is to first drop your list that you want to put in your drop-down list. So let's say for example, you want to know if this person right here is already done or if you have already contacted them. So let's say for example, you've already done it or not done yet, or it's still in progress. So after that, all you have to do is to select those three right there and then go to data. Then you want to name it into progress or anything that you would like to name it. After that, select this column right here where you want to put your drop down list and then look for data validation right here. Then click. Then change the allow any value to list. Then insert value, just select this tree right here. So as you can see, it's already right there. And then click apply. After clicking apply, it will now be a drop down list in your Excel. So as you can see right here, you can click it if it's already done. You can click it if it's not done yet, or if it is still in progress. So that is basically how you create a drop-down list in Excel. So thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.